किस दर्जा शर्मनाक है सदर ट्रंप का अपने ओवल ऑफिस में मुस्तकबिल के मामार बच्चों से खुला झूठ बोलना कि ईरान जौहरी हथियार रखने और आपको मारने से 2 हफ्ते की दूरी पर था। ये शख्स बीमार जहन वाला फर्द है जो बच्चों से झूठ बोल रहा है और झूठ बोलकर ईरान के खिलाफ घटिया प्रोपेगेंडा कर रहा है। चंद सेकंड की ये वीडियो देखिए और आप खुद फैसला कीजिए कि क्या इस पर आलमी सतह पर एहतजाज होना चाहिए या नहीं।
And now we're going to take a hit because we have to make a journey down to Iran to take the nuclear weapon. They would have had a nuclear weapon within 2 weeks. Remember, we sent that beautiful B-2 bomber in, and we blew up their nuclear potential. It was obliterated, for those that are not aware, and to a point where it would take them weeks to dig down, and we wouldn't let them dig down. We have our eyes on it all the time. But it was a very important thing. So we would have had an Iran with a nuclear weapon, and maybe we wouldn't all be here right now. I can tell you the Middle East would have been gone, Israel would have been gone, and they would have trained their sights on Europe first and then us, because they're sick people. These are sick people. And we're not going to let lunatics have a nuclear weapon. The power of a nuclear weapon is something I don't even want to talk about. It's not going to happen. And we have beaten them badly.